Implementation of Smile through API. Enter the API Reference tab. Here you can see various data resources available for integrating and getting data from the Smile API. One simple example would be the List Accounts API to list all the user accounts linked at a specific range of date. We also provide various languages that suit your preference. To be able to call the API successfully, you will have to first set up the base64 authorization with your API key and API secret. You can acquire your API key and API secret through the API Keys tab on the developer portal. Here you can see the base64 authorization being generated automatically. Next, choose the base URL of either sandbox mode or production mode. After that, set up query params based on your preferences. You can change the number of objects returned, the filter values of the previous page, the specific user ID you would like to search for, and lastly, the start date and end date you would like to search through. Now click Try It to see the response. Here you can see all the user accounts linked at that specific range of date. You can see connected accounts, accounts that had an error when connecting, and disconnected accounts. Another sample would be for the Create Webhook API to subscribe to various events. You do not have to enter the authorization again as it was done before. Here you can set up a name for the webhook subscription, the URL for your webhook, the event type you would like to subscribe to. The event we recommend to subscribe to would be for task finished. Whether to set this webhook active to received events, to include payload and a secret phrase. Lastly, click Try It to see the response. As shown on the response, it is a success, and you will be able to receive webhook events from your URL of webhook.